Okay, we're on page 3, and here it says Jamie wants to find a solution of y equals x and y equals negative x by 4 by graphing. It says graph the two lines and what is the solution? So we're not dealing with an inequality here, we're dealing with two lines. We're trying to find the solution, so we're trying to find where the two lines cross. I'm going to take the first one first. It says y equals x, and that one sometimes I think plays with our mind because it looks like it's some kind of inverted property, but it's not. It's really like saying y equals x plus 0, okay? So we're going to know that our starting point is 0, and our slope is 1 over 1 because there's nothing in front of there. So I'm going to start at 0, 1 over 1 over 1. It's a pretty simple line right down the middle of the graph. Okay? Our second one says negative x plus 4. We know our starting point, I wrote that weird, is 4. And our slope is going to be negative 1 over 1 because there's that negative in front of the x. So I'm going to start at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And look, I don't even really have to make my line, but I will because, you know, I'm me. But we see there's a point right there where the 2 cross, which is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2, 2. Right here, that's where those lines cross. That's the solution. Okay. Write the solution to the system x plus y equals 10, 4x plus 6y equals 52. I'm going to use substitution for this one because to me that makes the most sense. So I'm going to take this first equation and it's x plus y equals 10. I'm going to move that x over because I just like to be in that habit. Y equals 10 minus x. So I know in this second equation I can substitute that y in. So I'm going to go 4x, is still on there, yep, plus 6 times, because it's y equals 10 minus x equals 52. Bring down this 4x. I got to multiply by both these. So I'm going to go plus 60. And then I'm going to get minus 6x equals 52. I can combine these two, the 4x minus 6x. So I'm going to try that on my calculator because again, we all know I don't do positive and negative numbers. 4 minus 6, negative 2. I'm going to go 60. I'm going to bring that down.
Alex Koch to the counseling office. Alex Koch to the counseling office, please.
60 minus 2x. I'm going to subtract that 60. I'm going to bring down that negative 2x equals 52 minus 60, negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 2. X equals 4. Now there's a couple of different ways to do this. I'm pretty sure when I did it on the practice test on Google Classroom that I did it where I got positive numbers right away and got the same answer. So look on that practice test. I probably did, instead of moving x over, I probably moved y over. Works out both the same way. The nice thing is now that x plus 4, we can put that x into the first equation. So we have x plus y equals 10. We're going to substitute that x in for 4 plus y 10. We're going to subtract. Bring that y down. Y equals 6. And that's our answer. Right there. Okay. Number 8. In a move that shocks no one, Miss Rooney is buying candies and cookies. Candy costs $0.25 and cookies cost $0.30. She plans on spending no more than $1 and wants to buy at least 4 items. Which two inequalities model this situation? Do not solve. Score. Mrs. Pennington doesn't want us to score or solve it. She just wants us to write the equation. So we're going to have candy be x and have cookies be y. Okay? Remember, we're going to keep money with money, total with total. Okay? So candy, which is x, is 0.25 x plus 0.30 y, and she wants to spend no more than $1. So I'm going to bring this sheet back up here. No more is that one here. Your equation is going to be greater than y. That one's done. The second one is we're going to keep totals with totals, so we're going to have x plus y because we're going to have candy plus cookies. It says she wants to buy at least 4 items. At least is the opposite right there. 4 items. And because Miss Pennington is awesome, she does not want us to solve, and we are done. And good, because the bell is going off, so I'm going to stop this and we only have one more page to go.